Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your device through recovery mode. Now this process also removes screen lock, so if you have some kind of screen lock on your phone that basically prevents you from being able to access your device, this will remove it. Now I will warn you, this also removes literally everything else from your device, but if right now you can't access your device because I don't know, maybe you set up your pattern PIN password by mistake, or someone else set it up for you and you just lost the access to your device, well, this seems like a reasonable alternative to losing all your data, actually getting back your device. So anyway, let me quickly lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern. There we go, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. And okay, it looks like I have enough battery for this, 69%, nice. So let's begin. We will want to power off our device by holding the power key. There we go, select power off. And from there, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. Now the reason why I pointed out the battery wasn't because of the fantastic battery level, was because I think you need to have over 20% of battery life to actually perform this. If you don't, it will tell you to charge your battery, or that you need to have your battery life at certain level above whatever it's gonna state. And it also looks like we need to hold power and volume up, and once we see the Honor logo, you want to let go of them. Or at least let go of the power key. So there we go, I'm gonna let go of the power. I'll keep holding volume up. It's getting a little bit weird. Let's try it again. Power, volume up. Oh no, never mind, there it is. It just took a little bit of time to get here. So as you've seen, power, volume up. Once you see the Honor logo, let go of the power, keep holding volume up. And once you see the black screen, if it will look the same way for you, just let it go and wait for it to actually boot into the recovery mode, because it looks like it takes a moment to actually turn it on. So anyway, from here you want to select clear data. You can just simply tap on it as you've seen, and then we're gonna select factory reset, and in here, as you can see, we have to type in yes as a confirmation to the process, because it will remove everything from your device. So things like your photos, videos, music, contacts, documents, all that stuff will be completely gone. So yes, and select factory reset. As you can see, this will automatically begin. I believe it only gets like 10 or 20%. There we go. As you can see, it got to like 20, I think 2, and then immediately 100, and it's finished. So from here, we want to select back, restart, and this will now continue the process in the background, or basically process of factory resetting your device. And because of that, your device will be turning on for a little bit longer than you might be used to. So give it like a couple minutes, and after this couple minutes, you should be presented with the setup screen for your phone. So I'll be back once I can see it on my end. And as you can see, the process now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.